Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from sliding window approach, and the problem is find the longest repeating character replacement. So for example, you have given one string. Let's say this one is your string, and k is equal to 1. It means you have given at most k elements you can replace and then can form the longest string, repeating string, character string, okay, which has only one kind of characters. So that's it. Okay, so for example, k is equal to 1. So for this I can make this string, I can replace this b to a. Okay, so I will be having a 4 times a. Okay, so longest will be 4 here. Okay, similarly, yeah, I think that's it. So you need to find this string. Okay, length of this string, longest repeating character replacement string. Okay, so now let's see how we will find this using code. Okay, so your string is your given string is a b a b b a. Okay, and k is given 1. So what you will do here, you will have see, in given string you can have any character, right? 26 characters you can have. So you will take a integer array of size 26. Okay, and then few pointers like point variable like left equal to 0, max frequency, okay, which is 0, and max length again 0, and right equal to 0. Right is your index, which is iterating your array. Now here the crux is this one. Okay, what is that? Window size minus max frequency should be greater than k. If it is k greater than k, then we will shrink the window. Okay, why window size minus max frequency? See, let's see, I have a here I have a 4 character string. Okay, and k is given 1. So I can at most I can replace one character only, right? So max frequency of a would be 3 here, right? What is the max frequency of a character? So b is coming once and a is coming thrice. So a is max frequency. So 4 minus 3 is 1. It means this is condition, the condition is true till now. Okay, if it is equal to k, but when it is greater than k, it means that that is invalid string, and in that case we need to shrink the window size. Okay, so that's why we are just doing left minus minus, frequency of character at left minus minus and left plus plus, that we will discuss now only. Okay, while doing dry run for this problem. So initially your right is pointing to this, let's say this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, indexes, and right is pointing to 0. So I will create one array. Okay, right now I'm just think this is my array. Okay, not stack. So initially r is pointing to 0. I will check that frequency, I will just increment the frequency. Initially everything is pointing to 0, means initializing as 0. So frequency of a, okay, a minus, let's say this is capital or small. Okay, you just adjust according to your requirement. A minus a means 0th location. So for a the frequency will increase. Okay, so for our understanding I'll write something like this: a is coming once. Okay, now I will adjust max frequency. So what will be max frequency? Max frequency will be the current max frequency or the character for which we are iterating, this iteration is running, its frequency. So a's frequency is 1 and max frequency is 0. So okay, this one will become 1. Okay, will get updated to 1. Now we'll find the window size. Window size, you know how to find, right? Minus left plus 1. So currently the window size is 1 only, right? So check 1 minus max frequency is 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 0. 0 is greater than k. Okay, and k is given 1. So 0 is greater than 1, condition false. So we will not do anything and we'll just update maximum length. So max length will be your window size till now. Okay, maximum window size. So max length is 0 and the size is 1. So this one will get updated to 1. Okay, again r plus plus. So r will point to this. Now the r is point to this. So a is coming twice. So I will just update the count of A in array, and then max frequency. So max frequency will be 2 now. Okay, so 1 comma, and max frequency of this is 2. Okay, so this one will 2. Window size will be 2 now. So window size is 2, and 2 minus max frequency is also 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 is greater than 1, so still the condition is true. Max length would be 2 now. Okay, fine. Right minus left plus 1. Now again, R is pointing to this B, so this one will go here, B comma 1. Okay, B comma 1, and max frequency will be for this B. Okay, for this B is 1, but our max frequency is 2, so we don't need to change it. Okay, now window size will be 2 minus 0 plus 1, so now window size is 3. So 3 minus max frequency is 2 only, so 3 minus 2 greater than 1, condition false. So max length will get updated to 3 now. Okay, now again, R is pointing to this A, so the frequency of this A will become 3. Okay, and max frequency for this A will be 3 now, so max frequency will get updated to 3. Okay, and now window size will be 4, and 4 minus max frequency is 3, so 4 minus 3, 1, greater than 1, condition false. Max length will be 4 now. Okay, till now everything is good. Again, R plus plus, so R is pointing to this 4, means B. Okay, R is pointing to this B, 4th location. So let's check B, increment the count of B. This one will become 2, and then max frequency, currently it is 2, and we already have 4, so we don't need we already have 3, so we don't need to change. Okay, window size is 5. Okay, so 5 is, so see, 5 minus max frequency is 3, so 2 greater than 1, condition false. Okay, so now here what you will do, whatever you have at that location, so currently we are talking about B, so just decrement the frequency of B to 1 by 1. Okay, so this one will become 1, and left plus plus, so left is pointing to 1 now. Okay, now what will be your updated max length? So right minus left plus 1. Right is 4, left is 1 plus 1, it is 4, but we already have 4 only, so no need to update. Okay, if it is greater than, then only, because we are finding max. Okay, again, right is pointing to this B now. Right is pointing to 5th index. Okay, so B, increment the count of B, this one will become 2. Again, max frequency of B is 2, and current max frequency is 3, so we don't need to change. Window size will be 5 minus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Window size is 5 now, so 5 minus max frequency, again 5 minus 3, 2, greater than 1. Okay, what we will do, currently we are talking about B, so just decrement its count to 1. Okay, and then left plus plus, so now left is pointing to 2. Okay, and your max length will be, so right is 5 minus 2, 3 plus 1, again 4, no need to do anything. Okay, now R is pointing to this 6, so increment the count frequency of A, so this one will become 4, and then, so now this one is done. Max frequency, so current frequency is 4, and we already have is 3, so let's change it to 4. Okay, and window size will be 6 minus 2 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so window size will be 5 now. Yeah, so here you check that window size is 5 minus 3, 2 is greater than 1. Okay, condition true, so you will do whatever you have character at left, minus minus, so this one will become 3. Okay, and left plus plus, so now left will become 3. Okay, and now again, window size, now what window size will become, 6 minus 3 plus 1, it is 4, and 4 minus max frequency, 4 minus 4, 0, 0 is greater than 1, condition false. So you will just update the max length will be right minus left plus 1. What is that? 6 minus 3 plus 1, 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, and you already have 4, so no need to change. And then R plus plus, so this one will complete. So your max length will be answer, and what is your max length here? This is 4, so 4 will be your answer. That's it.